If you are someone who loves reading books but gets very limited time due to workloads, we have got something that can change your reading experience entirely. Meet Herdly, an app that can save you tons of time, yet let you enjoy books from various genres, all in a single platform. You can also get a quick 15-minute high-quality audio and video summaries of your favorite books instantly. I, personally, have been reading books through Herdly, and it has helped me gain expertise in various fields within a very short period of time. But what makes it so unique? Let's find out. So, first of all, let's download Herdly. You can find the app in both App Store and Play Store. We will also share the links in the description. Once you start the application, it welcomes you with an attractive interface. We will now enter the given referral code and get started. You can sign up quite easily with your Gmail or Apple ID. Once you open the app, you will be greeted with lots of top-rated book suggestions. You can search your favorite author's book instantly. Let's try and search 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. The book is rated 9.48, which shows the effectiveness of this book. Now, you can see both the read and play button, so you can either read the book or listen to it within a short period of time, whichever you prefer.
Today, we read The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. This best-selling book, which has sold over 40 million copies for more than 30 years, was ranked by Forbes as one of the 10 most influential management books of all time.
When you are listening to the book, you can increase the reader's speed to 1.5 times, and also pause and play according to your needs.
Author Stephen Covey's 7 Habits are a set of winning principles that have helped many achieve lasting success. Habit 1. Be proactive. Why can some people rise above others? It depends on the strength of our self-awareness. Simply put, it's our ability to confront our primal instincts. For example, when a person is hit, they might think, "Why did he hit me?" before reacting, while a dog will instinctively bite back.
Most importantly, Herdly uses AI to rank the best-selling books and keeps updating over time. What makes it even more intuitive is that you can choose from multiple languages toggling from the settings. Herdly provides books from various genres and is ever expanding. In my regular usage, what I found most interesting is that books suggested by the celebrities are instantly available on Herdly. I knew which books I have to read to gain expertise in any specific field. Also, there's a readers club, where expert readers include their own opinion on books and also share short videos on whether the book would be worth reading or not. Overall, the Herdly app comes as a game changer in your everyday hectic life. Whether you want to read something entertaining or learn something new, Herdly can offer you with the top-selling books right at your fingertip.